Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. So guys, on the previous video I actually showed you how to make this very beautiful piece. This is a short length jumpsuit with a bishop collar and a front zipper. Okay, yes. So because the video was lengthy, I said I was going to show you how to achieve the bishop collar on today's tutorial. So we're just going to dive into that right now. Let's get to it. So when I was done, this is already what I have gotten to this point. Okay, in case you've not seen that video, please go ahead. I have it linked up in the description box. Super easy, guys. So now we're going to be fixing the collar, and the next thing I'm going to do now is, of course, to just go ahead and measure what I have on the neckline. Okay, yes, so I'm going to measure what I have around the neckline. So I'll place my tape from one edge. You know, this is, like I said, is the front zipper, not the back zipper. So place your tape from one end to the other. Just carefully do this, and once you achieve this, I advise you can do this 2 times or even 3 times, just to make sure you get the right measurement. So I had about 20.5 here, so 20.5. So I went ahead to repeat the same process again, about 20.5. Just carefully take it all the way around. Okay, so I still have about 24.5 here. So that's what I'm going to be working with. So setting this aside, this is a piece of fabric. I already have my interfacing iron. So I'm going to fold it into 2. I actually need 4 pieces, but I'm going to make this. You can see how I'm folding it again. So I have folded now into 4. So this is going to give me 2 different pieces, actually 2 different pieces, one for the main collar and one will serve as the lining. So now that I have it in place, I'm just trying to use my pin to hold it down properly, okay, so that you don't have it moving here and there. So once I've achieved that, now I'm going to start. Remember, one part is on fold, and remember it's 20.5 for measure, so you have to split it into 2 because we have folded it into 2. So doing that, so we're going to have about 10.25. 10.25. So that's what I'm going to measure from that unfold side. Now I'm measuring 10.25 right now. So after that, I'm still going to add about 0.5 inches for the seam allowance. You can see I'm going ahead to mark that 0.5 inches right now. Then I'll go ahead now. After that, I'll go ahead and mark a straight line. Okay, so you can see I'm marking my straight line there. So on that lowest part now, I'm going to go up by 0.5 inch again. I will indicate that point, you can see. Then I will get what I have from one end to the other there. What I have there is about 10.75. Then I will get the midpoint. Whatever I have on the midpoint there, I will now connect it to that 0.5 inches we've already indicated. You can see what I'm doing now. Going ahead to connect this point together. So after that, now I will measure the width of the collar. I'm using about 2 inches here. Totally depends on what you, but 2 inches is ideal. Okay. Then I'm going ahead to measure. You can see on the other side, I'm also starting from that line. Okay, so just keep measuring to maintain that same shape that is going to form already. So that same 2 inches in width, you can see this now. So after that, I'll go ahead now and connect all the points together. You can see it's not actually a straight line here. Okay, it's a little bit slanted or a bit curving. So now I'll go ahead and just make a curve. This one is so optional though, but I like to just make that curve at the edge, and I'll go ahead and cut the entire piece together. So you can see this now. So once I'm done, like that's it. It's that simple, guys. Our collar piece is ready. You can see we have our 2 piece right here. So I'm just going to place it now and turn it all over with each other, right side facing each other. I'll go ahead and sew 0.5 inches all the way on to that curvy side. So we're going to have it like so. After that, I went ahead to iron it inwards. You can see how it looks. So this is it, guys. We're ready now. So all you need to do now is to attach it on the outfit. So starting from one end of that zipper space, we're just going to tuck it in. So you tuck it in about 0.5 inches. If you know you don't want to be confused, you can just mark 0.5 inches all the way around that neck, so that you'll be sure that as you're tucking it in, you don't exceed that point. It's that simple. Once you're done, you can go ahead and attach the zipper, and our bishop collar is ready. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you find this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. Remember to like and share with friends. I'll really appreciate this a lot. And also don't forget, you can go ahead and watch the previous video on how to make this beautiful piece. A simple one, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm always grateful to you guys, my subscribers. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you a whole lot. Thank you, a million thank you. So till I see you on the next one, have a wonderful day and bye for now.